We are delighted to introduce you to our new Soldamatic technical support area. We are moving our partners' technical support from the partners area to this new platform. This is the platform's main screen. If you want to open a ticket, choose one of the categories available and it will display the fields you will need to fill in order to describe your issue. Please provide as much information as possible. You can even add videos and/or images. You will be able to see the status of all your tickets and add a comment, image or video anytime. You can apply different filters to your list of tickets and even search by words. Every time your ticket is updated, you will receive an email with a message from our technical support team. This new platform is not meant just for reporting technical issues. You can make any suggestions on our products to help us. We appreciate your feedback. If you want to make any changes to your profile, such as your name, email, language or time zone, you can do so in your profile options. With this new platform, we will be able to provide a better experience for you and your clients with a more efficient system that will allow us to work closely together, and there are still new features to come. If you have any doubts or issues, please do not hesitate to contact us directly. Thanks for your attention.